A for apple. Apple means seed. B for boy. Boy means ladka. C for cat. Cat means billy. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. Fish means machli. G for goat. Goat means bakri. H for horse. Horse means ghoda. I for Iceland. Iceland means Iceland. J for jaguar. Jaguar means jaguar. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for nature. Nature means prakriti. O for owl. Owl means ullu. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. R for rat. Rat means chooha. S for sheep. Sheep means samudri jahaj. T for tree. Tree means पेड़. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. V for van. Van means गाड़ी. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree means Xmas tree. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. चैनल को जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लो. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.